What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you my gaming review on the new mobile G3. And I know a ton of you were asking, how does PUBG run on this? How does Bullet Force run on this? How does, a ton of other games that you guys stay in the comments down below run on this? Well, I've chosen 3 games that I'm going to go ahead and run on this device, and we're going to see what quality we can get from this device. Also, before this video starts, if you guys want to be a part of the Tech Gang, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turning the notification bell on so you guys are notified when I do upload. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start this review. Stay tuned. Now we have the 3 games right here. Now we're going to go from least graphic intensive to the most graphic intensive game right here. Least being Chili Snow and the most being PUBG Mobile. So we're going to go ahead and test these 3 games out. First and foremost, let's go ahead and start off with Chili Snow. This is one of my most favorite games. Just simple game that you can play, just like a tapping game. But yeah, just quick and long press to go ahead and turn and dodge the trees. But yeah, this is one of my more simple games that I like. That's pretty fun and addicting. The game's running very, very smoothly. So as you guys saw right there, this game runs very smoothly. We're gonna go on to Bullet Force right now and see how that runs, but this game runs very smoothly. Really not graphic intensive at all. But let's go ahead and go on to the next game. Alright guys, so with this game, it's actually online, so if you guys want to play on here, it is online. Very, very fun game. It's kind of like CSGO. It's a first-person shooter, but I'm going to go ahead and log in as guest, and we're going to go ahead and play a match on here and see how it runs. So far, it looks pretty nice, but we're going to go ahead and do a quick play or team deathmatch or whatever and see how this runs. We're in the prison right here, and let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so we have to deploy right now, get our loadout, and so far, just looking around, it looks like we're not getting any drop frames. And the graphics look pretty decent to me. Alright, so the match is now started. Game looks really, really nice. The controls are responsive. And yeah, let's go ahead and try to kill somebody right now in this game. And we've got our first kill. Oh, I got killed right there. But as you guys see, this game runs very, very smoothly. Even online, it runs nice. And yeah. Alright, now the game you guys have been waiting for is PUBG Mobile. How does this run on here? We're going to go ahead and do an online match right now and see how this runs. Now, on most Android devices, I've been seeing, even on, better spec devices, this game doesn't run really too well. It runs like a beta, honestly, in a sense. But we're going to see how it runs just for fun, because I know a lot of you want to see if it is playable on the new G3. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drop right now and see how this goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and get some supplies as well as some guns and stuff like that, and see if we can take someone out. Honestly, for a $200 device, this is running pretty decently. I don't see too much of a difference between the Mate SE. The Mate SE runs maybe a little bit better than this, and that's $250, but honestly, I can't really tell the difference, and most people probably wouldn't either. But yeah, let's see if we can take out someone right here. We got a gun. I think I'm gonna no, I think I'm just gonna stay with our automatics. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take that shotgun. I don't think so. All right, let's go ahead and stay with our automatics and try to find somebody and see if it's actually playable. So far it is playable, and so far we can obviously aim in and shoot and stuff like that. And yeah, let's go ahead and see how this goes. Alright guys, I actually heard some shots right now, so I think we're gonna get in our oh, right there. Hey, so I guess it is playable. I just took a dude down right now. Take him out. We got to kill. We got to kill, boys. We got to kill. So on this device, so far, pretty playable. Alright, so right now my mission is just to kill people. I'm not really trying to hide out and stuff like that. But we do have 85 people left, and I'm gonna see if we can get a win on this. A winner chicken dinner. If we can, that'd be awesome. That shows you that this is playable on the new G3. But yeah, there are some glitches and stuff like that might get annoying when you're playing this on this device. But honestly, for $200, it runs pretty damn good. I didn't think it was going to run this good, to be honest. I had low expectations going in, and even driving and stuff like that is controllable. And it's just nice so far. Oh, he's back there. He's back there. He's back there. Are you kidding me? This dude, how many times did you get to shoot me? 2 kills, 2 for 2. I'm gonna go ahead and use this this med kit right here. Wow, how could this dude not kill me? Really? That's kind of sad, to be honest. But yeah, definitely playable. So I got 3 kills on the board so far, and we have 34 still alive. So we're gonna see if we can get this dub. Not 100% sure still, but lasting till 34 is pretty decent, I think, especially using a $200 phone. So I guess this video just turned into, can we survive on PUBG or win on PUBG with a $200 phone? Hopefully there's not another dude right there, but boom, 4 kills. Okay, so we have 4 kills now. 15 people left, by the way. So yes, this is definitely playable on the new G3. Just had to get that out of the way real quick. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my god. All right, guys, so we got 4th place out of 98, which is pretty damn good. But yeah, as you guys can see, the new G3 can run pretty graphic intensive games, and you guys can actually game on it. As you guys see, I ran PUBG and actually got 4th place. So yeah, you can game on this phone on PUBG. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Really hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, guys.